How to assemble the Hart 20-inch 40-volt electric push lawnmower. In this video, I'll show you how to put together this electric lawnmower and give a brief demonstration. At the end of the video I'll give you my overall review in case you are thinking about buying one. I bought this at Walmart for $248 and it was very easy to assemble. It comes with rechargeable battery for up to 40 minutes of runtime, mulching bag, and everything you need to start mowing your lawn as soon as your battery has a full charge. Find an area with plenty of room and take everything out of the box. No tools are needed to put the mower together. If you like, you can begin charging the included battery before you start the assembly process. The battery will likely have a low charge and may take 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it. This is what the mower looks like after you open the box. What a beauty, eh? This is the charger which can be plugged into any standard electric outlet. And this is the 40-volt battery. Again, it took about 2 to 3 hours for me to fully charge it and will give you about 40 minutes of runtime. Remove the protective cardboard and lift the mower out of the box. Or, if you prefer, simply cut the sides of the box so you don't have to do any lifting. In some ways, this mower looks like something out of the movie Star Wars. Everything included can be seen here. The mower, grass catching bag, battery charger, grass catching frame and paperwork. Step 1. Lift the lawnmower handle and lock into place using the blue knobs on each side. Feel free to remove protective plastic that covers some of the mower parts. Note there are 2 different holes you can snap the blue lock levers in depending on the height you prefer the mower handle to have. You will need to pull the handle to fully extend it before locking into place. Push down each of the upper blue lock levers after extending the handle. Oops. My fingers got in front of the camera lens. This is where the mulch plug is located. You can mow your yard with the mulch plug in place or use the grass catcher bag. If you keep the mulch plug in place, the mower will discard grass on your yard as you mow. If you want to use the grass catcher bag, simply grab the handle and pull it out. To assemble the grass catcher bag, place the frame on the ground like this. The vinyl side of the bag should be on the top as shown. Note how the blue handle of the frame is on the outside of the bag. The edges of the black bag have plastic clips on each side. Finish assembling the grass catcher bag by putting the clips around blue metal frame. This is what the grass catching bag should look like when fully assembled. When you are ready to attach the bag to the mower, the smooth vinyl side will be on the bottom. To attach the grass catcher bag, lift the rear discharge door and put it in place by placing the 2 blue hooks on the slots on each side. Note the blue handle is on top. Use this handle to adjust the grass cutting height from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. Use this handle to adjust the grass cutting height from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. The manual recommends to set it at a height best suited for your lawn. The average lawn should be between 1.5 inches to 2 inches during cool months and between 2 and 3.25 inches during the hot months. This is what the lawn mower blade and underside of mower looks like. You are almost ready to mow. If you haven't already charged the battery, slide the battery onto the charger and plug it into a standard electric outlet. It may take 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. When you have a solid green light on the charger, the battery is fully charged and ready to go. Here is what the battery and charging station looks like while charging. Note the green light is flashing during this process. A red plastic key is included that must be inserted before you can start your mower. Attached to the key is a handy quick start reference guide as shown. In front of the battery slot is a battery storage compartment. Keep your battery here when the mower is not in use. When you are ready to mow, Place your charged battery into the battery port, push down until it clicks indicating it is secure. Finally, insert the red plastic key and close the battery compartment cover. You are ready to mow. To start the mower, push and hold the blue start button. At the same time, pull and hold the bale and you will hear your mower start. You may shut the mower off at any time by releasing the bale. Now, let's test it out and see how it performs. Don't forget to wear protective eyewear when mowing. Near the end of this video, I'll give you a quick overall review in case you are thinking about buying this lawnmower. Overall, I give this mower a thumbs up. It doesn't have as much power as a gas mower, but gets the job done. It is perfect for small or average sized lawns. The best part about this mower is you don't have the hassle of dealing with gas. It is easy to assemble and can be folded for transportation and storage. With larger lawns, you will probably want to buy an extra battery or consider buying a more powerful model. If you have any questions or need help, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to help you out. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please return the favor by giving it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have an awesome day.